Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep crickets from taking over your kitchen. This video will take you through the effective ways of handling the crickets to prevent them from invading your kitchen, so make sure you stick around for that. Using traps. One way to get rid of crickets is by using a molasses trap. To make this, mix 1 part molasses and 10 parts water in a jar or shallow bowl. Place the mixture in areas where you have heard crickets or where they might be. The molasses' sweet smell will attract the crickets to the shallow bowl, and once they're in, they won't be able to get out due to the viscosity of the mixture, and they will eventually drown. Apart from a molasses trap, you can also purchase adhesive traps and set them in your kitchen. The glue on these traps catches any crickets that may be passing by. The crickets may starve, and you can easily dispose of the trap once it's full of crickets. Sticky traps contain no chemical or toxic substances, making them ideal for homes with pets or children. Vacuuming and sweeping them. Using a vacuum cleaner is another effective way to eliminate crickets. Use a broom or vacuum cleaner to clean areas where crickets might be present. You might fail to catch adult crickets as they may flee when approached, but vacuuming will remove their eggs, preventing their population from increasing further. Ensure you dispose of the vacuum bag and any dirt from the dustpan into a sealed plastic bag before discarding it. Applying diatomaceous earth. Sprinkling diatomaceous earth on the crickets or their potential hiding places will help eliminate them. Sprinkle this powder in the crevices and floorboards around your kitchen at 1 or 2 week intervals. The diatomaceous earth will desiccate any cricket that comes into contact with it, leading to their deaths and controlling their populations. Properly storing away excess food. Any leftover food and water attracts crickets to your kitchen. To keep crickets from flocking into your kitchen, ensure that any leftover food is stored correctly either in sealed jars, in the pantry, or in the fridge. Ensure that you clean the kitchen floors, countertops, and utensils to remove any food that might attract crickets. So there you have it. Crickets can be annoying, especially when they turn your kitchen into their home. However, dealing with unwanted crickets in your home does not have to be difficult. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.